Once your subject has donned their motion cap suit, open up the skeleton sections on Motive and select the skeleton baseline that you would like. Then, using the model, match up the markers on that skeleton with the markers on your subject. Once all markers match up correctly, your subject is free to head into the recording space. Have them strike a T-pose position and create the skeleton based off of them. Skeleton can only be created if they are in the correct position and all markers are detected. Now, if the markers are incorrect, or your subject is standing with their legs too close together, something like this will happen, and you will get a nasty, disgusting, broken-looking legs. To fix this, all you have to do is select the skeleton, delete it, have your subject stand this time with their legs much further apart in the correct position, and recreate the skeleton. Once the skeleton is correctly binded to them and everything looks good, feel free to start recording with the big red button in the bottom middle of the screen. Now, enjoy the process and watching your subject run around doing random things in a very empty space. Congrats! You've now watched all 3 of the tutorials and are ready to work with the GridLab's motion capture system. If you have any questions while working on a project, feel free to ask any of the techs for help. Thank you for watching.